Hello.
Namidi, hello.
Adi asama.
Namidi, for a man, you could long.
Dada, you could do new Dada.
I rather for a flat.
I know so much you come Dada. Adi I sent enough man because any move. Yeah, ready. Ah, ready. Me may.
Abusianfo empanimfo bu baby say ade achi bia na say yante asemfofora echiri na say ye my Ghana de ekwa akoye say asofo age oman no aboso asofo a hijack system no ama the average Ghanaian obuni sofo mpo echen president the average Ghanaian osuro ni sofo ene ne D4 echen omampani ena oyire nso esuro osofo ene ne D4 echen empo nikunu abusianfo eyare hosem Odifo Kwabena Tewia or the Ensembi Atudra na say eye ye mampani His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo sabi obetoa nananom ewo ense do ansa na 7 December abatoɔ mre no aso na ese Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo obewu ansa na 7 December aso ama Ghanafo akwakotoaba tebusuafo yentie eye Odifo Kwabena Tewia na numu asem na sewia as usual Free Mind family matre madwen Yenti Odifo Kwabena Tewia.
President Bedin Konim 2020 nanso na tanfo doso. Oma to yade de ama president enne a me kasa Ghana fo nyina MPP fo nyina ntie. Enne a me kasa yi me ma na wotwe mienu yade na beka nanado. Anye ka kwanhia, anye plane crash, anye bibia, nemo yade beka no. Yade ne kano a onye yie ansana ya beto aba no 7 December na Addo aye fun enti MPP fo ansori ni bra ye nyina ye kwa ni true challenge di ama the whole Ghana abifu a wo Ghana ha nyina akonfu a wo Ghana ha nyina Muslims a wo Ghana ha nyina asofu a wo Ghana ha nyina me Kwabena Tewia me true challenge ama won say na Addo wo masufidie di ama no obewu ansana ya to abano aya atamfo hyehyeye MPP fo nyina mo sampa na Addo frame e wo Jubilee House ma ne ko hia me ka asem we kire no ka kire ne say ya sum ni fidie obewu me papa ne ka kire me say waje ma anoye so obesori akwakoye ho ade adenti na mi fana se madwuma nyina wie no ma fana se madwuma nyina wie anka medi mu aye komando na makohunu wowuo yi means me papa ne frɛ me a me call ya me de asam ne tunu no wanya so adwuma into wowuo ne da MPP for achemfo the whole achemfo ahemfo abrempon ensori me tonyame se Nana Addo yade ne beka na ansa na yato aba enti na opposition fu bitimi ba abonte beka se enje papa ni bebu Nana Addo Bedin Konim na Nana Addo wu free ne ekosi china Mahama Bedin Konim edas
Ebusianfo ensempi we amama kai me follow abako a ofre me not too long ago or say Free Mind. In fact, I've been following you for a very long time. I follow you on Facebook, I follow you on Instagram, and I again watch you on YouTube. Na Free Mind, me dwe bibi ho amentiase. Onyi ni sebi young black people no. There's something wrong with our brain because so we share the average black person they were see reason no. In fact, America have me walk around no. They were black Americans no see reason no. Different from the way the whites reason. Which means there's something wrong with the black man. But bibi will be all over the world. The attitude, the sub buying, and then the thinking the same. Into Free Mind, only ni say there's something genetically wrong with the black man. And me the man and say, "Minua, we are still researching. We are still making further studies until we come with a concrete evidence to prove that there's something genetically wrong with the black man. For now, there, sebi ye Jimmy any yensim no do na no every brainwasher abrofono ba Africa be bring wash ye nti for now there yemfa ne sa ebusua odifo kwabna tewia in fact energy a ode kasa ene ahoɔden ni tumi a ode kasa no ene challenge a o true no mesre say papa saa challenge no senka o challenge abenfo nyina omo Ghana se na wo ka no ene enkremufuo ene asofuo ene edifuo nyina omo Ghana se omo encome together, let our powers combine senia those days as we used to see in the cartoon series Captain Planet, you know. Nanka omo mfa omo tumi nyina en combine nanka omo entimi enyi COVID-19 in free wanka. I would prefer say eno mo be better than sebi Nana Ado wu ene sa ni mana mo ka no. Excuse me to say Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo sebi mpreduasa wabobra. Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo is 70 plus years onya bofra baby Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo wanyi edru yi se sebi owumpu a bibia ni wa asai owu a olusi hwe Nana Ado na etimi gina simpie so eka se emra ye wo no ebe wiase besi baby a wanyi edru sebi ohun hiada. He say he has never seen poverty before. He was born with a silver spoon in mouth. Into bia yawo na ne papampo ceremonial president wanyia ono so ababe omampani wadi danu bia wabobra nu bia ade bia omampani Nana Ado pese ohu asase so bia no wahu enti at his age Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo owu mpo a enye ya wabobra nu bi ohun enti mesre say saa owuo ena nipa asomasi bewu ena abrebia nso nipa etitru ewuo nkwa na omuhu. Why don't you see the death of the ordinary Ghanaian? Odifo se uye powerful ana say wo tumi pa sanya wo claimina anka e wo se emra se John eba bewu no anka se wutimi eka the same thing e kire NPP for sanya wo kan sanya be anka NPP for betimi abom paye etimi asave se John na so se John nuo ni de obie ni wa wo hu ye e ya trending bi. And the young person more trendy and I say, what at all do you stand to gain by doing all these things? Reverend Osubempa Biena Noa Uwo, Nijogezi Biena Noa, hey, wake us up, hey, Ghana just say, henya, any Uwo, who comes Shankwana, yasha, and never say more. You don't see these things in the advanced countries. America for November ya almost so kwakotwa bananso onko America enko kote se odifo bi aba media mu eba be kase se bi Donald Trump be before the month of November and I say ansana America for about to omre no aso onti bibi sa onti se na people na campaign de bi na posted but by heart any ade who sa ni mani bi. So why Ghana? Why Africa? Why black people? Now I always say near a man religion and a senselessness are flourishing in Africa and as a Ghana no is as a result to say Yankasa no the foundation of our civilization no your culture and the fapem no do no based on myths, superstition, any fear so and a superstition, myth, any fears no they always create a conducive environment for religion and senselessness and other stupidity to flourish. That is why you see say in Africa the way you see efa religion crampo no sebi in a jimmy way than the way abrofo no you see efa religion because your foundation nankasa was wrong. The myths and the superstition and the fear in the system is too much. The average Ghanaian is somebody who believes is sebi onam nyina no baiphobia and asa bonsambi esano ni fear for no inti abribia no. The average Ghanaian is looking for a place where he will feel safe and feel protected. Babini abema me chira wo say bonsam bia ni hwa wodi wachi ena unfiefo bia ni hwa omadwen se omo ye onempo so unfiefo ye omadwen se omo ye wa mame chira wade ewiase protection ye kan wo ho protection ye kan each and everybody is protected by the universe. Ni aminimi say your protection no ababe say immune system on say nipa wo immune system no say wudi aduane pa if you exercise and eat healthier your immune system is boosted. Sanso na nipa nso o nature giving immune system if there exists any bad energy crampo say sa energy no person omo act against you say o boosted immune system and as a divine protection as our energy no intimate anyhow. How do you boost your immune system? By having a clean mind. Inya dream bone e will be aho. Don't think evil for anybody and don't jealous anybody negatively. Sabi, don't wish anybody bad. Relate with people in a good way. Treat others as you want to be treated and all these things. The moment ubenya a clean heart, a pure heart, awuni obia ho adwenbone no sabi se obi mpo e de umfoni anase e de udi ko baabi ase yenye nyankoma ade bi na yenye free wiase a enye adwuma enti nipa bia no. Clean mind is your protection, a clean heart is your protection, and learn how to give, learn how to do good, learn how to connect yourself with nature. Obia planning anything evil against you, believe you me, is not going to work. Protection is not in the church, neither is protection with asofo. Protection is not found anywhere. Protection is found within yourself. Wankasa wa dream wakuma mu any the way or thought any imaginations and na a create reality. Into abribiano think positive, abribiano have a strong spirit, abribiano have a strong conviction and a strong feeling. Say obi ani wa obetimi aye bibi etia na the moment a ubenya sa feeling na obeye papa ube protect wo ho na wa connect ho to the positive frequency. No, nothing and no weapon will fashion against you. Bibi ani wa ebetimi what you say enti moment de bi asesa na sabi we be sa nkomhye no mama yennyai na airtime uhu bibi say obroni krom sabi odifo. If you really wish Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado well, na sempo sanya wosie no so nyankopompo ayi akiro se Nana Ado bewu a anka sabi don't come and sit in the public and tell the good people of Ghana say Nana Ado bewu. What are you going to gain from it? Kasanya okan say ogogo Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado no, let it be a secret between you and Nana Ado. Na akwankyere bi ho a odi be ma Nana Ado afama no, it's as simple as that. Don't come and sit in the media to talk as if you want attention or as if you want people to see you as powerful. Edie be ni pendim animonyam ye sori ya say you enkomhye say na pambo ka say nkwase enkomhye say ya nkwase enkomhye
Ghana nyine Christosum ye ni makwase onyame say ni doso nkwase nyame say no e doso Ghana todo kwase nyame say ni doso Ghana todo bia pese ehusu yes bi kasa misro bia pese e asemo ebusua e SMP e yarehosem na mo de se mo kwa mo sonsom wiase na mo nyankopon no ontimi enyi invention bia enkyeremo munyankopon no ontumi enkyeremo ekwan a Ghana befa so a Ghana betimi etompon. Munyankopon no ontumi enyi anything positive and anything that is going to lift Ghana and better the lives of the citizens of Ghana. There be that moko musunsun wiase bia distraction kwa and away bewu and away be say and away be say and what is wrong? What is wrong? Which kind of God are you guys worshiping? Which kind of spirit are you guys worshiping? Is it a spirit of destruction? Is it a spirit is it a spirit of death? Which kind of God or spirit are you guys worshiping now? Sabi mo die mo hu anything good enka, mo hu anything profitable enka, mo hu any prosperity bia enka, abri bia mo wura mo sunsun wiase no ba death, destruction, yense no ehu any fear nkoa na mo de ahye Ghana for ma send be ya mo betimi a control mo nti mo sori ya ehu any fear, seeds of fear na mo planting in the minds of the people of Ghana. And the people of Ghana so ya no be ya tremade still la mon person ma dream be ya no be you me as I sit here you can never threaten me with death because owo na kasa means I fear poverty more than death. I fear not to be able to live up to my full potential more than death. Owo nya de bia me sro because me fa say emra na yen wo me no state na me wo no is the same as death. Into death no will just take me back to the state of non-existence, the state I was in before death. It means strong. It means say you are this do better time here. Masa da find something better to bomb me hang with. Find something better to frighten me with. And you wo. Omo pani na do dan Ekufuado. Baby what do or you be a dey owo hunahuna no. And away be wu and I say bibi say broni democracy mu. Bibi say broni religion mu. Bibi ni ade bia bibi ni besom bia no. Sabi wan fa ni jimi ene ne nkwase asem no ambata ho a or practice a enye yi. Adan I will give anything to the black man. Give anything to the black man, whether for good or not for good. So when I find the Jimmy and Kwasi Asano or practice here in ye, that is why we are where we are. That is why we have become the most backward race on this planet.
That is why we have become the most primitive, the most barbaric, and the most ignorant, and the most senseless people on this planet because of our attitude, because of our thinking, because of how we reason. The average black man does not reason correctly. You're thinking now, are you flawed? You're thinking now, are you flawed? What is wrong with us? What is wrong with us? A dear pa the high. A dear pa the way I dream, nothing positive. Just walk on the street of Accra as I sit here and speak. And you remember when you know your senselessness in Kwa, as so for our system no aboso, pastors have hijacked the serenity of the environment to the point is that you can't even reason and think correctly. Ufie hey, upiabontia hey, ufaha hey, basimu hey, train mu hey, babia hey, market hey, adai. You can't reason anywhere, even in the comfort of your home. You still cannot reason because omikra megaphone. Ejra won pumechi, ejra mantemo, and the wiase bese yo, and the wiase bese yo, sakrawadrio, fahoma yesu, masa munyai ohia na mo de kan kwase asem no, ehia wa, e come the wa e na kan kwase asem. Broni kro bonim se wiase bese yo. Broni kro, they are thinking of 100 years ahead. They are thinking of 200 years ahead. Broni does not know anything about the wiase bese. So they are making this world a better place. They are creating their own heaven on this earth. They are creating their own reality. It's about time we learn from them. It's about time we learn from them. It has become easier for us to see the falsehood in religion because the religion and then they don't follow the religion and then they don't even teach the religion in their schools. Therefore, it has become easier for the black man to realize they say, almost some anasa religion no po ebre ye no se eduru mra enkofu wei omo nkyere sa bible ni kowa no po school na se eduru mra sa enkofu wei omo ban street preaching ni sad money na there, then it means the book or the religion they brought to us has no relevance in our life. It will not better us in any way. It has no importance in our modern dispensation. Ehun hia eye chaff eye sabe nkwasi asem eni se hunu etiem tomu enso besine. The average black man doesn't want to reason out of the box. The average black man doesn't want to think. Individual packets. Not even the national coffers. Individual packets. Any service, sex, any son, and no kwana, and what be near dream. That is why we don't produce anything. That is why we are only raw material producers. We are not manufacturers. We cannot do anything. We import anything and everything, including toilet tissues and toothpick. That is how disgraceful we are. That is how backward we are. That is how primitive we are. That is how ignorant we are. Let us wake up. Let us wake up. Yan sorry, a bedroom maybe no. Yes, slavery no, a better worse. Today, black people are not respected worldwide. Your mindset, your thinking and reasoning. Today, black people are not respected anywhere we go. Blacks are suffering. Blacks are always at the bottom of the food chain. Your attitude, how we reason and how we behave. Race, each and every race will sit on the happiness of we black people. We will forever be at the bottom of the food chain, and we will forever be the lesser human beings on this planet until we start to reason as human beings. Until we start to reason as human beings and as people. Why? Religion has lost relevance in this modern age. This is the 21st century, my people. This is not the 15th century, neither is it the 14th century. This is the 21st century, 2020. Religion has lost relevance. Throw this dogma away. Throw these myths away. Throw these fairy tales away. Throw this superstition away and embrace technology, science, advancement, knowledge. And the same way and religion. Religion only profits the church. Religion only profits the pastors and not the members. So disassociate yourself from this canker called religion. Social media no. Fame and popularity why? In our own small way, no popularity in my own small way. I am popular among my peers. And I don't quite enough for me. But your social media, no, because we want a change for our people, because we want our people to equally have good lives like the rest of the world are having, because we want our continent to grow and develop, because we want Ghana to move forward, because there's no place like home. We cannot call any other place home apart from Ghana. Enti Ghana, you say you building your mind, say na be yen so, ye ni be kan ye krom. Na ye building your mind no, ye ntimi emfa a D4 any way be won come share em build the mind. There be ye the technology, science, common sense, knowledge, wisdom, any nyansa na ye betimi ade build on my Ghana. Ti Ghana for muma ye ma ye ni mie. Ghana for muma ye ma ye ni nte. Na ye mind na ye de ahye asofo onsam no. Yes anyim free asofo ni ntem. I don't blame them. Because we are living in a country where even the president believes so much in pastors and prophets. We are living in a country where pastors believe so much, leaders believe so much in these pastors. Leaders believe so much in this prophet. That is why these prophets have loud mouths in the country. That is why these prophets believe or feel as if the country belongs to them, because the leaders themselves support them. The leaders themselves believe in them. Which kind of country are we running? And what kind of a mind being? Which kind of country is this? Which kind of country is this? And we say, so it's about time also yen so ye shase near and like and new ma ye be ya e betimi amaya kwa nimbi anya sa ye be kachiri we as no entwen ye we as is not waiting for anybody. You've got to also develop and catch up with the rate at which the world is developing. Anya sa we are going to forever be at the bottom of the food chain, and we are going to forever remain slaves. We are going to forever be disrespected worldwide. Yes, our Black Lives Matter. The only thing that will be able to foster the change that we so much desire and want is the change of mindset. And not be preaching. Let us have the change of mindset. Change of mindset is the foundation of every and any development. It's the foundation of every change. Change of mindset is the foundation. Ebusia, let us have a change of mindset in moving forward. Send ye my Ghana so e betimi aye krabehwe. Send ye before so sebi e betimi enya ye glory. Your glory na ye lose no. Disrespect any humiliation na ye de achichiri yeti no. Sebi ye betimi asane egu ho na ye so yetimi ape abutiri papa bi anase ento papa bi efra. It's as simple as that. Me do asese wahwe me. Me do asese watie me. My name is George Freemind and you're part of the Freemind family. And see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Have a lovely day. Peace, bless up. Bye.